Your confidence, your positive attitude is the most important thing, is the damn important thing in your life. But the issue is how to build confidence. Okay, I will tell you by my experience. I have been running my coaching, it's been more than 10 years. I have more than 10 years of experience in teaching field as a teacher. One thing I always used to lack, and that was confidence. I was so naive. I could not talk in front of people, but now you can see how confident I am. Even I am speaking in front of camera. I know I am going to public this video. Some will give good judgment and some will give the judgment which will not be fine for me. But I am ready to accept it, right? So by my experience, share with you 5 things. And if you are going to work upon these 5 things, I am telling you, you are going to build great confidence. First, your surroundings. Believe it or not, but you are the sum total of 5 people you sit with. The people with whom you are surrounded, they are shaping your thoughts. They are shaping your beliefs. The company you keep is like the air you breathe. So be cautious. And now it's time to observe. It's time to check what kind of company you are with. If you are not with the healthy surroundings, with positive environment, please leave that. Understand how it is affecting you, that you are not able to understand. If you are living, sometimes I can understand, families' behavior. In some families, people are like this, that you have kind of people who are not, supporting, and I can understand there are families, okay? But I just want you to find your own space and learn how to respond instead of react there, okay? Because we can't change surroundings. The only thing we can change is ourselves. Your circumstances, is it healthy? Is it positive? If not, leave it right away. Second thing is data. What you grasp, that matters most. What you listen, what you talk, what you think, what you watch, what you believe, these things shape your thoughts, your beliefs, your actions, your behavior. Whatever you are grasping all day long, whatever you are listening, reading, talking, walking, these things are gonna influence your confidence. Look, I would say read good books. I don't know if you are a reader or not. If not, start. Second, listen good things. Third, watch good things. There is no point of watching something malicious. Don't make your mind dirt. Okay, in this way you will make it more complicated to handle your senses. Alright, talk good, share good, get good knowledge. And I'm telling you, these things will build your self-esteem. These things will build your confidence. And this is something I'm telling you by my own experience. Third thing, which is going to help you in building your confidence, is learn skills. And I would highly recommend one best skill is learning a language, working upon communication, how you can satisfy people with your speech, you can convince them, how you can speak more effectively, work upon it, okay? So third thing, which I have been experiencing in my life, it's not just about language now. Now I have started learning many things, but the more skills you are going to learn, the more you will become confident. What happens? We all are energies. We all are energies. And if you're not going to collect this energy, I'm telling you, it will be here, there, everywhere. And it will be a big chaos. Okay? So the good thing is this, always learn something. Focus on particular skill. In this way, you are just, collecting your energy in a particular place. When you are concentrating, you are focusing. And I would not recommend do it in the public, tell everyone. it's not important. Like, it's not important everyone to know what you are doing, what you are learning. Hide somewhere and learn. It will make you happy. It will give you confidence. It will give you motivation. And it will uplift your self-esteem. So learn skills. Fourth thing is habit. We first choose our habits and then our habits make us. I don't know how do you run your day. I'm telling you, you are the sum total of your habits, what you do all day long. What you will become after a year, that's completely dependent on what habits you are having today and what you will become after 5 years or 3 years. It's again totally dependent on what habits you are going to inculcate. Okay, today is the day. You don't have 200 years to live. I would say take a fresh sheet of paper. Write down the habits which you are going to learn and the habits which you are going to unlearn. We human beings, we have potential to learn, unlearn and relearn the things. So why not to take advantage of these things? And I am not saying that within a one go you will learn everything. Start one by one. Waking up early, drinking enough water, good diet, exercise, journaling. Start. The more you are going to start these things, the more you are going to build up confidence. And the fifth most important thing is clarity in life. Whether it's a relation or your career, you have to have clarity. If you are not going to get the clarity, what you want, why you want, how you want, where you want, when you want, you will be messed up. So get clarity. If it is your career, what you want, write it down clearly on paper. Second, why you want it. You need a fuel inside you which will drive you. And third, when you want it. Deadline is important. How you will get it or where you will get it. These two things are the part of the process. Alright, but just try to be clear, and this is the best way to get clarity. You don't focus on it, but confusion, indecisiveness sucks your energy and make you less confidence. I had experienced these things in my life earlier, but now I know what is gonna give me confidence. So whatever things I have told you, just make a checklist and check how many of them you have already gained and how many of them are there. And if not, if you have not gotten even a single of them, I would say start. You don't have 200 years to live. I don't want you to regret on your deathbed. Okay? Whereas a lot of people are regretting. If you think this video has added any value in your life, so please give thumbs up, share your lovely comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And with this thing, let's meet with the next content and in the next video. Bye-bye.